Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to become a YouTuber. Now, most people will wonder, why should I watch this video compared to all the other videos on YouTube? It's because I'm going to be telling you the secrets YouTubers don't want you to know. Okay, first of all, you might be wondering, like, how many viewers do you have, or how did you do? So I've been a YouTuber for a few months now, and I have over 250,000 people that watch my video. Now, people, not video but videos. Of course, people, you might think, oh, 250,000 is not a lot of people, but of course that's more than the population of the Maldives. Now, okay, guys. So I'm going to explain to you what it is to be a YouTuber. Now, before I started being a YouTuber, of course, becoming an official YouTuber, I was already making money. Now, to tell you how this works is this is a big secret. Is once you start becoming popular on YouTube, even if you have like 200 subscribers or 500 subscribers, and your videos get views of 5,000, 6,000 views, people start taking notice. YouTube opens a lot of doors. Like, I notice, like, on my travels, the moment I tell them I'm a YouTuber at any hotel, I automatically get upgraded. Like, they just tell me, okay, we're upgrading you. So they'll upgrade you from the lowest room in the hotel, or whichever room you book, to the best room in the hotel. Now, of course, this is not going to happen to you every time, but most of the time this is what is going to happen, in the hopes they think that you will post a video of their room, which you end up doing. Because they give you such a beautiful room, so they'll give you the top room. And also, I've had restaurants and hotels and different people come up to me and tell me, okay, we'll pay you about $350, which is about 25,000 Indian rupees, to just do a video on our hotel or stuff like that. I'm also a brand ambassador for many brands like Daniel Wellington and other brands like that, where they'll give you free watches of hundreds of dollars. And many other brands have contacted me, sneaker companies and stuff like that, t-shirt company, clothes companies. They come contact you with a lot of free merchandise. Not only that, is they'll keep on giving you free stuff and just hoping that you would wear it in one of their videos. So guys, please enjoy the video. Let's go and get into all the secrets of how you can become a YouTuber. Now, also, a YouTuber has a lot of value. Anywhere you go to, the doors open up to you. If you want to go to the best of parties anywhere in the world, they know you're a YouTuber, straight away the doors open up for you. YouTuber is being like a celebrity. So, guys, here we go. Learn how to become a YouTuber. Okay, guys, so to become a YouTuber, first of all, you have to get 1,000 subscribers and you have to get 4,000 watch hours. Now, you must be already knowing this. Now, 4,000 hours it might seem like a long time, but I did it using my old GoPro camera, and I got 250,000 views. I was using a GoPro Hero 6, which, if any of you guys knows, that it doesn't have stabilization, it doesn't have anything, and I still got 250,000 views just using a plain old GoPro camera. So it's really possible. Okay, now, so YouTube gives you 12 months to do it. I did it in 4. Okay, so you have to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which is again 240,000 minutes of watch time. Uh, you know, Okay, so now let me explain how you can get those watch hours. Okay, now people keep on telling you, you have to start out with this spicy noodle challenge. Like, I'm not, if you've done it already, I'm not going to blame you, because that's like the myth, and everybody thinks that's how you get views. But that's not really how you get views, because the only people that are going to watch this are probably your friends and family. Like, would you want to see me eating noodles, like crying?
Oh, no, 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 no.
No, that doesn't make sense. So, what we're going to do is I'm going to tell you videos of what are going to make sense, that are going to be relevant and will get you those watch hours really fast. So, this took me a long time to, figure out, but this is, I want to share it because, I've been searching videos all the time and nobody really wants to share with you how it really works or anything. So, first of all is, like, Just the other day, somebody was sending me a video of him trying to tell his kid to say "dada," and the kid kept on, he keeps on going to the kid and say "dada," and the kid's just like, the kid's not even looking at him or saying anything back, and he's uploading this video and sending me the link hundreds of times and asking me to view this video. But this video is not going to get you, these kind of videos don't really get you. Maybe by mistake one of them gets you famous, but that's not really how you want to start. So how to really get famous fast is, let me tell you a secret, is you get to the most famous place in your city. I understand you might be a makeup artist who wants to become a YouTuber or whatever. Makeup is a great way of getting a lot of views, of course. But how do you really become fast for a normal person who wants to, doesn't want to spend a big budget on makeup or anything? So what you do is, sorry, you just go to the most famous street in your city, or go to the most famous monument in your city. Like suppose we have the Taj Mahal. Now Taj Mahal, of course, there'll be a million videos on the Taj Mahal itself. But what can we do different from everybody else's videos? So let's do a video, for example, of where to get food next to the Taj Mahal. So these are things, there's a million people going to Taj Mahal every day, and people, of course, have to eat. So where do you get food next to the Taj Mahal? Those videos will get a million views. Okay, and just to tell you, YouTube doesn't immediately give you the views. So if you are expecting, oh, I should get it in a day, no, that's not how it works. Okay, one thing that can get your those views really fast is hashtags. Okay, hashtags are a really important part of how to get your views. Hashtags are put in the description, not in the tags area in your video. There's a description area. You put 15 hashtags. Now, like, how do you get the views? Now, hashtags don't show up on YouTube. These are actually for search engines. So suppose you're using Google search and you say where to eat in Taj Mahal, straight away your video will come up there in Google. Now, Google is a great way of getting here this thing. This not only works for Google, it works for every search engine. Now, the after hashtags is tags. Tags are very important. So what kind of tags would we put? Okay, first hashtags. Taj Mahal food. Food where to eat in Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal weather. You put these kind of hashtags, straight away your video will show up. This is when people search for these things. Another thing is when you put tags which are very similar. Now, it's very difficult to come up with an idea of which tag to put for the Taj Mahal. So to do that and get it much easier is, I'll give you a website which you can do, which is called Rapid Tags. Suppose you type Taj Mahal in Rapid Tags. What it will do is the Rapid Tags will find all the most famous tags related to the Taj Mahal. So because they find the most famous tags that are related to Taj Mahal, what happens is that means those videos are getting millions of views. Okay, so you get into that, or it can be anything. It can be a street, famous street in your city as well, which will get you those thousands of views. So that's how to get views. Okay, now after that is, once you get to your 4,000 hours, you can monetize your channel. Once you monetize your channel, people, another very important thing before your video becomes really famous is to have a very, very catchy thumbnail. Thumbnail is the picture over here, the picture which you put in your video for people to click on. Now, to get these thumbnails or to make these thumbnails, you can use a website or an app called Canva. One. The second thing you can use to make these are called thumbnail maker. Of course, I'm going to put all the links below, so that I'll put the link of the apps below in this video. Now, once you get a very catchy thumbnail, that's something that people want to click on. Like Taj Mahal. If you put just Taj Mahal, because there's a video that has a million views, it's not going to get your attention. But if you put eat at Taj Mahal, straight away you put the Taj Mahal photo here and you put eat at Taj Mahal. Straight away what happens? is it catches the people's attention. They click on your video. Of course, you get more views. Now, uh, videos that have a more watch time rating will get boosted up. So what happens is, suppose I have my video and I'm a new YouTuber, I hardly have any subscribers. But what happens is, if I've done a famous area, what YouTube will do is it will do a test run. So for a test run, they will put your video right up as the first video. Suppose you type Taj Mahal, your video will be the first video in YouTube. So what happens is, because it's a test run, they will get about 2000 people to view your video. If those 2000 people click on your video and watch your video for more than 30% to 50%, your video will start getting boosted up. So that's how the algorithm of YouTube works. So your video will get boosted up and you will get more views. Another thing I noticed is, once you reach any video to 4000 views, it straight away gets boosted by the algorithm. So this is another secret, is once you get to 4000 minutes, 4000 views, your video gets boosted up and you can go from anywhere from 4000 to 20,000 in less than 10 to 15 days sometimes. So another thing, which is how much money you make on YouTube. Now the myth is, for every 1000 views you get $1 to $2. That's not true. Okay, what you can do is, in your analytics, this would come to a stage, of course, once you're monetized, is if you go to analytics, you can click on ad rates and they will show you, even if you're not monetized, it will show you the ad rate. So it will show you exactly how much value each video has. So suppose you have viewers from India, you're not really going to make a lot of money. Why? Is because the ad rates, because of the currency valuation, the currency is going to be much lower than the US dollar or anything else, because YouTube pays you in US dollars. So to get the valuation, you go to ad rates, and suppose your viewers are from, like my videos, most of my viewers are from America, Australia, UK, Austria, and countries like this. So what happens is, my ad rate has a very high value. Some videos of mine have an ad value of over $10 to $15 per video. So because these are mostly people from countries like America that are watching this, so of course they have a bigger budget to spend on advertising, so the videos have higher value. Okay, so if you have Indian viewers watching your videos, you're not really going to make that much money, but that's fine. You know, in the long run, you have a million people watching, because we have a bigger population in India, for example, you would still make money at some point of time. Okay, so there is a threshold, by the way. A threshold is of $100. So even if you make $10, you're not going to get your money till you reach $100. Once you reach $100, what happens is, you will have to cross the $100 every time so that you get paid. You just have to put your bank account, and your money will get sent to you. So my videos make me anywhere from $100 to $200 a month sometimes, and that is, with my videos, even $250,000, and I've still made $100 $200 a month. So it's really, something you can make a lot of money on. If, of course, I wouldn't tell you to leave your job straight away, but as a pastime, this would make you a lot of money, especially makeup, or for guys, travel videos or anything cinematic videos make you a lot of money. Now, how do I edit my videos? To edit your videos, okay, I used to use Premium Pro, and I realized, I've had guys telling me, I've been sitting here for 2-3 days and editing my videos. I'm going to tell you how you can edit your video in 5 minutes. Okay, to edit your video in 5 minutes, what you can do is, you can use an app called KindMaster. Now, KindMaster, this is the link, or this is the logo. KindMaster is an app which is free if you want, but they'll have their watermark in the video. If you don't want the watermark in the video, what you can do is, you can pay 350 rupees Indian, or about $5 US for the app, or you can download the app for a year, which is 40% cheaper, which is about 2,500 Indian, which is about $40 or something. So it's really cheap. And in the long run, your YouTube will pay back the app, so it doesn't really, you know, you're not really paying for it. So this is an app that you can use. Of course, I'm going to put all the links in the description below, so you don't worry. uh, Another thing which is very important to know is consistency. The more videos you put out there, you do 100 videos, even if you're getting 10 views on 100 videos, you see automatically that makes your 10,000 videos, sorry, 10,000, 1,000 views per day, which in the long run, of course, will increase. So the more videos you do, the more likely you are going to become successful. Of course, if you're going to do like my daily gym routine or this and that, that's only going to get you like 1,000 views, and most probably it's just going to be your Instagram followers or whatever. Another thing is, how do you get those subscribers to subscribe to you? A very important thing to do is, in the starting of your video, you can put an option like subscribe to my channel or like my video. Now, please like this video and please do subscribe to my channel. So, you do this at the beginning of the video and you'll get a lot of subscribers. Now, another thing to do is what I did. It's a little shameful, but it works. I messaged all my friends and told them, please, can you subscribe to my channel? You don't have to watch my videos, but subscribe to my channel. And I got my 1,000 subscribers in a few days. You just inbox them and tell them. Because if you put a status on Instagram or Facebook, nobody's really bothered to do it. So by doing that, you will get your, subscribers really fast. So, guys, these are some of the secrets to how to become a YouTuber, and what YouTubers don't want you to know. I'll be doing a lot of more in-depth, detailed videos, so please do subscribe, and you'll be getting to know all the secrets and how things work. And if you want to really know any question at all, please feel free to comment below, and I will make sure to help you with anything that you require. I am all in, means I am going to help you to become a YouTuber. You can inbox me on Instagram or you can inbox me on Facebook. I'm always ready to help because I'm not like the other YouTubers who don't want anybody else to become successful. I'm a businessman on my own, so this is not a career for me, and I'm more than ready to share my secrets with you. Is because I've been doing this for a few months now, and the views have been coming in so easily, and it's just such a nice pastime, and it's a really nice hobby to have. Or if you're looking for a future in it, you can make a lot of money. I know a YouTuber, my friend, who's made 100,000 US dollars, which is about 70 lakh uh, rupees in Indian money. So if you want to take this as a future, of course you could make a really big future into this. So guys, again, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. I'll be getting you on a lot of these other videos, so stay tuned.